I'm Sharifah Musaina, and I'm the CPO of Jasa Brands, and currently I'm doing the EDBA course with UBA. To me, this workshop is something that for you to really go back, as I mentioned, to overhaul back your system in terms of what you really want to do, what strategy that is good for you, something that you always know it is there, but whether you do it or not. So it's something that behind the scene to make you grounded, to start back the right strategy in whatever that you are doing. This course is actually improve. We are here is actually to enrich ourselves. So this is a good thing that back to square one. Relax and understand yourself, your strategy, your thought process to be the right strategy that to improve your futures and whatever that you are doing. As I mentioned, it's good enriching that you need to improve your knowledge from time to time. So to me, it's a good step for professionals to really understand what EDBA is all about, and then to use whatever that you are doing, the thought process, the system, the strategy, something that you learn, but to make it right for the innovations and the futures.